Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic CapCut tutorial how to freeze frame. So we have this example video, and if you want to freeze frame, you can move into the timeline and the next select the video or clip. Click these icons to freeze the selected timeline. Okay, you can click and it will be create the freeze timeline. You can play like from this point to be automatically freeze and then play again after this point. So you can select in the timeline and then click this video or clip. You can click these icons to freeze the selected timeline. Okay, that's it for a basic CapCut tutorial how to freeze frame. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.